98% of the population live inside of their comfort zones. 98%. Want to know why? My definition at the Brave Initiative of brave is your willingness to get into action before you feel ready, because you are choosing to feel ready enough. Change is not meant to be smooth. When you're doing something new, something different, something hard, you can't expect it to go right the first time. How many are not very good at being not very good at something? Yeah, it's hard, especially if you have mastered your craft. It also means engaging in brave conversations. So not just sharing your ideas, but also saying the things that you don't want to say, but that need to be said. And this is not only in work, but also in life. The bravest thing that you can do is to be brave enough to be you, especially in the world that often expects or wants you to be anything but. Be authentic, be vulnerable, be experimental, and just be you. Because exactly who you are right here, right now, is more than enough. And that question, what would you do if you were even braver, is going to become